Hello, hello. Ngayon, idadalhin namin si baby. Ipagupitan namin siya ngayon. Ha? You go out first. Ngayon, nahanapin namin si auntie. Yung dati namin pinapagupitan. Kung nandito pa. Yep. Let's go. Here, right?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Can we eat something? I feel hungry.
Something that you cannot see anywhere else, right? That you know about. And this is a foundation thing that each of us can make. In the top event, look at what you are still in this area.
Okay.
It's certainly rolling out a lot of new features. I think as you can see from the recent news, like Lazada, Indigo, right, recently had a data breach and customers are getting afraid.
Are you ready? Huh, si Hey? Going to bob your hair. Are you ready? Hey, ready, ah? Hello, baby. Hello.
啊，是啦。对对对对。它要剪了，它比较生得美一点嘛。啊。
Sit down, Lego. Sit down. Hello.
Can eat. Can I eat?
Yay. Up. Oop. Look.
I should
Just look at yourself.
I should take the photo to the mirror, right?
No, just here. Hello.
Here cannot see.
等一下，我跟他
Then she's facing that side.
等一下，等一下。不不不不，你跟他，你叫他，你叫他，我跟他弄高一点。
子辉，哦，不要吃啊！
Look at Adi.
嗯
Okay.
等一下就哭了，你知道？
你跟他讲话。
Wait, Adi, the hair. Need to keep the hair. Yeah.
You want to keep the hair?
Yeah.
That's all you must say.
不要，哎呀，
啊？不要给他摸，不要他吐啊，放嘴巴。
Don't cry, right? You're right. It's okay.
哦，
Mama is here.
你讲话，跟他讲话，你看。Hello.
It's okay. That's alright.
你跟他讲话，快点，快点。
啊，喜黑，喜黑，
他要听你们的声音。
喜黑，
No no，也看他认人家。
嗯，
Mama is here. Mama is here. Okay, you face to Mama. You face to Mama. Okay. Okay, just face to Mama, Lala.
上去后面。
Lala.
嗯。
你跟他讲话，你跟他讲话。
嗯，喜黑。She feel uncomfortable to her head。嗯，不是啦，她的头不舒服啊。你这样子剪的话，她头会有一点，她有一点刺刺的感觉的吗？小孩子一定会的。
你懂？点抖抖啊，你懂了哈？啊，这个有一点点抖抖。
Don't cry.
哦。
I love you. Ready lang?
嘿
This one, okay.
，OK。够吗？
啊
Okay, this one, okay.
？The front okay?
Well, okay, okay.
So okay already 啊
At the back, OK。
？The front still have a bit the front.
This one, okay, now it's okay. Okay.
OK OK，不要，OK，没有，no more。OK。
So this is her look. Kanina grabe yun. Sobrang iyak niya. Ha?
No, ako Santa.
Okay, it's in the house. So, sinunod namin yung mga kids. Ayan na sila. So, andito na kami. Malapit na kami sa bahay. So, bye first. Say bye first.
Wow, and she cut
So, we're in the house now. Until now, umiiyak pa rin siya.
If you cut hair, your hair's so cute now.
Okay, pa rin siya. Oh, ayaw. Ayaw. Uy, lala boy. Uy, oh. Hindi niya matanggap na...
She loves her hair so much.
Kaya hindi... Oh, ayaw, hindi niya matanggap na pinagpul siya. Oh, don't cry, baby ko. Don't cry, lala. Wala. Say bye, lala. Say bye. Oh, you see her hair? She's so cute. Say bye.
She cut hair is so cute, okay?
Lalab. Say hey.
Is this?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's